Hey everyone, this is Gulshan, and today I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. Millions of people use Google Drive every day to store their files, images, videos, and any kind of file that you want. If you are a Notion user, and I'm sure you must have used Google Drive earlier, but if you are a Notion user and if you know how to connect Google Drive, it will be very beneficial to your workspace because you can directly fetch your file from Google Drive into Notion. So let me show you how you can do that, and yeah, let's get started. Let's create a database, and let's say it's a docs and files database. All right. So let's give it a name. It's called, say, SOPs. So let's say you have a SOP document which is stored in the Google Drive. All right. So let's create another property, and let's create Google Drive file. All right. So let's connect the Google Drive now. Let's click this cell. It is actually asking you to connect your Google Drive and also to upgrade. You need to upgrade after August 13 if you have a free account. Earlier it was completely free, but now they're asking you to upgrade it. So if you want to use Google Drive, you need to upgrade it. So just remember that. Let's connect it for now. So connect to Google Drive, and it will show you the account option that you want to connect with. So I'll choose one of my Google account, and let's give the permissions and all. And it will take a couple of seconds to connect. Yeah, it is connected now. As you can see, my email ID is showing here. So once I click this cell, I can just click on my email ID, and it will bring all the files in my Google Drive account. And then I can select any of the files to fetch into Notion. So let's select one of the files. So I'll just select this, and let's set this. Okay. So let's say I have the file name SOPs, and I've just selected the random file here. So it's very helpful if you can fetch your file from Google Drive because Notion itself does not have any kind of storage facilities for now. So if you have large files and if you have too many images, too many videos, that you have stored in your Google Drive file, it is very helpful to connect Google Drive file into Notion, where you can fetch your data from Google Drive into Notion. So that way it will make your overall workspace very smooth and very user friendly. So that's it. If you like the Notion, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video.